Thanks so much, Brian. Well, the month of March is National Nutrition Month. Just in time for our Wellness Wednesday segment today, we are learning a healthy recipe anyone can do from home. And to break it all down for us, I'd like to welcome back Alice Smith joining us live. She is the registered dietitian behind Alice Approved in Winston-Salem. Alice, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. So tell me the recipe that you are showing us this morning. Take it away.
Yeah, so these are egg muffins. So they're super nutritious, delicious, easy to make. This is going to be our finished product. So It looks like a muffin, but there's actually no flour in here. It's just eggs and veggies of choice. So we're going to throw this together in just a couple seconds, really. So super easy. You just start with your eggs and then really just clean out your fridge, and whatever you have in there, throw in here. And the more colorful, the more nutritious.
You always say that. So we got to get our veggies in.
That's our theme for National Nutrition Month. So we've got our eggs, and we're going to throw in some red bell peppers. So I've got those. Going to throw in some mushrooms. You can add onions. You can add anything green is great. You can sneak in some spinach. We're going to throw in some more bell peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper. And you can add meat if you would like to. You can add cheese. I'm actually adding nutritional yeast. Have you ever cooked with nutritional yeast?
No, I had my eye on that on your counter.
Yes. So this is a great cheese substitute. It's actually vegan and dairy-free, but it's packed with B vitamins and protein, and it gives it a cheesy flavor. So you can throw this in here, and it adds a lot of nutrition and also great taste.
Oh my goodness. Does it make it a little bit more like fluffy as well?
It doesn't really change the texture, but it does add a great taste. You can add nutritional yeast to popcorn. You can put this on your veggies. It's great to have in the fridge.
Oh, I never knew that. And what about if someone wanted to add like a dash of milk? That's acceptable too, right?
Yes, for sure. And I'm so glad you said that, because muffins are just super easy, convenient. You can freeze these and grab these one at a time. But if you wanted to do more of a frittata, quiche type dish, you could absolutely do that too.
So you just pour the eggs in your muffin tray next.
That's it. You just pour them in here, spoon them in there, and you will bake just for about 15 minutes on 375.
Okay.
And again, you can freeze these. You can have these as breakfast, snack, super easy to do. And you want to do the amount of eggs is the amount of muffins.
Oh, I see.
That's what they look like.
Alice,
kind of spilling over.
Oh no, that's okay. Better than I could do. So tell us why folks should incorporate eggs into their diet. I actually have 2 on average a day during the week. Some people may say that's a little much or whatnot. You've heard different reviews. What's your take?
Exactly, and that is perfect. So eggs are super nutritious. They are packed full of protein, full of vitamins and minerals. Choline is important for your brain health. They are important for heart health. And so you do not need to worry about limiting your eggs. So that is totally fine. We used to think they would raise our blood cholesterol level, but now we know they don't impact our blood cholesterol like we once thought. So they are a great source of protein. And you also want to eat the yolk. So the yolk is full of vitamins and minerals and healthy fats. And that's going to keep you fuller for longer. It's going to aid in weight management also. So eat the entire egg, eat the yolk, and yes, you can. They're super versatile. Throw boiled eggs on salads, have them for breakfast, make egg muffins. You can scramble them. So eggs are great.
And the yolk is my favorite part, but I know sometimes people opt for egg whites. That's okay.
Yeah, and egg whites are totally fine, but there is a lot of nutrition and protein in that yolk. So I wouldn't do egg whites only, but you can absolutely incorporate egg whites into your diet also.
Oh, great tips. Thank you so much, Alice. This has been excellent. Get it?
Thank you so much.
I had to. Thank you, Alice. We'll see you next week. And remember, folks, you can visit aliceapproved.com. That website's on your screen. You can follow along on her social media for all the healthy meal and convenient inspiration.